Hey y'all, okay, I'm coming on to share my new electric fireplace with you guys. So we got this from Modern Blaze, and this is the Touchstone products. It's Touchstone Onyx 50-inch electric wall hung fireplace. And so our TV is above, and I wanted the 50-inch to just kind of balance it out. And I chose black because our TV is black. And we love it. Let me turn it on. It comes with this. Here's the remote. And it also comes, you can either choose between the logs or the crystal rocks, just to kind of give it a more modern feel. And so this was it was really easy to install, and I have a blog post just kind of sharing how we installed it. You can also recess this into your wall, but you will not be able to use the blower, like the heating function, if you choose to recess it. So our mantle sticks out, and so we don't mind it sticking out because we wanted to use the heating function. But again, so we would give this a 5-star review, and this is from Modern Blaze, and again, it's the Touchstone 50-inch. It's the Touchstone Onyx 50-inch electric wall hung fireplace, and we are loving it. We love the cozy vibes it adds to the space. We love it.